make a left right there. It says dead end, we'll make a left there. It's a nice dead end street to make a viewpoint turn. Get in the middle. They give you 10 points if you stay right here to get in the middle. When you get the green light, get in the middle. And you're supposed to keep your wheels straight. If you get rear-ended, they're going to push you into traffic. Yeah. You only turn your wheel when you start rolling, going forward. I had a female tell me, it's too much information.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, she was like, it's too many rules, too much information. I don't like it. She couldn't remember everything. Watch your right. Watch your right, watch your right, watch your right, watch your right.
Oh my God.
There's a car right there, you're gonna hit it. Watch your right, watch your right, watch your right, watch your right, watch your right.
Oh my God.
There's a car right there, you're gonna hit it. Right there, you're gonna hit it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pushing away and you're holding back. You're resisting. Let me push it for you. When I'm pushing, you let go.